In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet efficiently. Productivity Boost 2026. Let's get started by going to smartsheet.com. This is your central hub for work management, where you can plan projects, track progress, and report on results in one place. Next, log into your Smartsheet account. This part's quick. Choose your sign-in method, enter your credentials, and confirm any prompts. In a moment, you'll be taken straight to your home. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page. This is where you'll see your recent items, suggested content based on what you use most, and quick access to your workspaces. Think of home as your control center. It helps you jump into work without hunting around. On the home page, take a look at Suggested and All Workspaces. Suggested highlights what's most relevant right now, while All Workspaces shows everything you have access to by team or project. To work efficiently, understand the purpose of each type of Smartsheet asset. Use grid sheets for structured lists and trackers, project sheets when you need timelines and Gantt views, card views for Kanban-style task management, reports to roll up information across multiple sheets, and dashboards to present metrics and status at a glance. Mastering what each sheet is best for will help you choose the right tool for the job and cut setup time dramatically. To speed up setup even more, you can use Gemini to structure Smartsheet content. Start by generating a template in Google Sheets with the columns, hierarchy, and example rows you need. Then, import or copy that data into Smartsheet and set your column types. If you need formula-driven columns, have Gemini draft the logic, then adapt it to Smartsheet's functions. Before importing, ask Gemini to standardize dates, names, and categories so your data is clean and consistent. Now, maximize Smartsheet's native efficiency features. For project plans, enable dependencies in project settings so timelines and predecessors update automatically. Use cell linking to reference values from other sheets, and cross-sheet formulas to calculate totals or statuses across your portfolio. Automate workflows to send alerts and update requests, so teammates are prompted to provide status without manual follow-ups. If your plan includes it, use Control Center to standardize sheet structures and automate provisioning across many projects for consistent reporting. A final key tip: I can jumpstart structure and formulas, but you still need human oversight. Validate the outputs against your business rules. Test on a small sample and then scale. With a clean setup, the right sheet types, and smart automation, Smartsheet becomes a powerful engine for productivity.